All right, so I've been looking around for something to help me tidy up under my desk, and I was just gifted this cable management tray. I think it might be exactly what I needed. And as you can see, installation was super easy. What I really love is that you don't need any tools to install it. And it's got this really nice rotating clamp design that lets you attach it without any screws. Oh, plus it also comes with these anti-slip pads, which is just going to protect your desk from scratches while making sure that the tray also stays in place. So it really just takes a few minutes to set up once you figure out where you want it. And as far as deciding where you want to put this, one other really nice thing about this is that the clamp is dual-sided, so you can have the basket under your desk or you can have it facing out so that you can get to everything easier. I decided to just have it facing out since I'm not totally sure what I'm going to put inside of this basket. I've got a lot of cords I need to organize, but as you can see, it does work good for just holding and managing all your cords, but it also works really great for just holding your power block. So it's very versatile. I feel like this is probably something that would benefit just about anybody. It's compact enough, but has enough space to hold a bunch of stuff, and it just really helps to clean up your workspace. So if you're like me and you're tired of tripping over cords or just want a neater desk, then you should definitely check out one of these trays. It's super flexible for whatever setup you've got going on.